and the world turns to sleep.
A giant facial
A
disc,
shadow takes flight, secrets to keep.
like a second
From the old hollow tree where the ancient roots creep, the wise old owl begins to peep. Oh, night's watcher with your silent grace, soaring through darkness, leaving no trace. Golden eyes gleaming in this vast open space, a sentinel of night, setting your pace.
position. Just through something.
Through the whisper of wind and the rustle of leaves, you glide like a spirit, what the night weaves.
As you strike.
A hunter so true,